U-Ayabonga Gaqa obeneminyaka engu-29 ubudala udutshulwe wabulawa kanye nabanye abane endlini yakhe kanti kutholakala amagobolondo ezinhlamvu angu-18 endaweni yesigameko. Umalume kaGaqa uthi baphuthumele endaweni yesigameko ngesikhathi bethola ngokulimala kwakhe kanti ubesaphefumula ngesikhathi befika. Uthi ushaqekile ngokudlula kwakhe kanti unemibuzo eminingi.
Ifamily ikhathazeke kakhulu ngomntana. Bengumntana olungileyo ngokwalapha ekhaya. Ngokwalapha ekhaya belunge kakhulu futhi ke ngendlela ebelunge ngayo yiyo lento ibangela ifamily ibona ngayo ephula umphefumulo. Sihalela ukubona ubulungiswa. Ubonakala abantwana lo muntu owenze lento afumaneke abonakala bozothiwa nini. Because ngoku umbulale kakhulu kawumkhulu wami umbulale kakhulu.
Umphakathi ukhala kanye nemindeni.
All of the deceased have been identified by the police. 4 of them are from here in Langa and 1 of them is from Kukulethu. So we're trying to offer them some support to the families, as we have done now with the family of one of the deceased, whose name is Ayabonga Gaqa.
Amaphoyisa akhiphe umehlo kaboni ka-200,000 wamarandi kozozanganeno nemininingwane ezoholela ekuboshweni kwabasolwa.